Jamie Hudson is here with a look at our forecast, and we were just talking a minute ago about thunderstorms still happening.
Definitely, and Central Oregon has been seeing them since about 4:30 this afternoon, Lisa. 3 o'clock this afternoon, checking in on satellite and radar, and it was very calm. But since then, there's been a lot of changes out there in the central part and now the eastern part of our state, and throughout tonight, still a chance for the frequent lightning in this area, as well as those gusty winds up to 40 miles per hour. And it's always a concern when it's been so dry out there, and now we add the lightning into that. Here's where we're seeing that abundance of lightning. First it was starting in Bend, now it's been making its way up towards Pendleton, so something we'll be keeping an eye on with that active weather. Air quality, well, down in the southern part of the valley and even the central part near Eugene, there's an air quality alert in effect. It was issued by the National Weather Service, and this is in effect until tomorrow at 11 a.m. Portions of central and eastern Oregon, as well as south central Oregon, dealing with that impact in air quality with all of our wildfires. So you can see most of our state from central to the eastern part in the moderate category, even down there in Roseburg and Medford. Well, here in the northern part of the valley and throughout the metro area, still sitting in that good category for air quality. We look at the high level smoke forecast. This can really give you an idea of the winds and how they're shifting and moving out this smoke. Tonight, still hazy looking here in the valley, but by the time we get to Monday night, there's a lot of clearing in the skies. That's Monday at 6:30. We head into Tuesday, and unless there's another big wildfire starting, this looks to clear out, and much of our state could see some improvement on that air quality. Portland right now 91 degrees with those sunny skies. We'll continue with barely any clouds above, and by midnight still expecting to be at 71 degrees. Right now our winds out of the north at 7 miles per hour. Another warm evening in store for us. Currently in Newport at 63. Those winds out of the north-northwest at 10 miles per hour, but a lovely view here of the blue skies. Port of Kalama, sun is shining, 81 degrees up there. Heading over to the Tualatin Valley, the thin layer of haze, but Forest Grove currently at 89 degrees with calm winds. As far as those daytime highs go, it was another scorcher of a day, especially in the gorge and the eastern part of our state, not to mention down there in Medford, 102 for a high. Portland, we came in at 92. Remember, for this time in August, 84 is our average high for PDX, so much warmer than that, but a beautiful day on the coast. The coast 70 for Tillamook. Let's time this out for you. We head into our Monday morning. Those clouds start to come on through the coast. Partly cloudy here in Portland Monday morning, but by the afternoon hours, plenty of sunshine throughout the valley. 9:30 tomorrow night, 74 degrees. We continue with those warm evenings, and we continue with a dry trend. Long term, not seeing any increase in rain chances. And we check in on that drought monitor. Well, now it's up to 56% of Oregon in drought here. We'll keep an eye on that, of course, as we head through the rest of August. Here's what our Sunday will look like. Throughout our region, the coast, mid-60s for a daytime high. Another scorcher in the gorge as they get into the low 90s. But here in Portland, upper 80s. Plenty of sunshine for most of the week. Lisa, the coolest days looking like Tuesday, mid-80s for that daytime high.
All right, we'll take a little break then. Thanks, Jamie. Coming up.